Hi, my name is Carla, and I'm a children's specialist at the St. Paul Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nature treasure box. Do you like nature? Let's create a nature treasure box. Find an empty egg carton or a plastic bin or a cardboard box. Decorate if you want. I'll be using this egg carton. First thing I found, a rock. Put it in the carton or box. Next, I found a small pine cone. Keep adding. Here's a stick. This is an acorn. A dandelion in bloom. A dandelion before it blooms. My carton is half full. Here's a feather. A tiny purple flower. Some pretty greenery. Another rock. A big pine cone. A green stick-like thing. Look at this beautiful collection. Yours will not be the same as mine. And that's great! Thanks for creating with me.